Hey, money magnets, have you ever wondered how to get access to a $250,000 business line of credit with no impact to your personal credit? Well, no worries, because we got the secret sauce and we gonna help you get to the bag.
I know I'm coming. They know I'm coming.
And look, we're going to teach you guys about fintech companies. This is not a bank. So they go off your revenue, not your credit score. I believe this is going to be the wave of the future for business lending.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And the platform is absolutely free. It's an
What?
expense management tool. You can get approved for a line of credit or a term loan.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Right. So, business owners, I understand that you have concerns about, keeping up with getting money and raising capital so that you can continue to fund your business.
Yeah.
So, let's go over to the computer and let us show you how to get to this bag.
Let's get to it. And guys, the name of this company is called Toolbox. Look, you can get more out of your cash. Toolbox works hard to save your business money while helping it earn even more. You know, Glo, with fintechs, they're not banks. It's more of like internet lending for businesses.
And Marvin, one thing about it is that's a lot of what we're going to.
Yeah.
This is the new wave of the future. So jump on board now. Don't get left behind, because now fintechs are most definitely taking over, and they're making it a lot easier for business owners to get the funding that they need.
I totally agree, Glo.
Okay, Marvin, now let's jump into some of these benefits that Toolbox offers, okay? So they have $0 platform fees. Manage your business cash without dealing with any maintenance, ACH, wire transfers, or overdraft fees. Marvin, this right here is a cash flow changer, because those little fees add up and it can cost you over a period of time.
Yeah, it's like having a free checking account because you're using a debit card to actually earn rewards. Check this out, Glo. So, Glo, you get cash back on debit. So, guys out there with businesses, does your bank help you earn cash whenever you spend cash? This is something new that's coming out, and you guys got to jump on it. With Toolbox, you can enjoy up to 1.3% cash back with every swipe of your debit card. Normally, it's the opposite. You're getting charged probably 2% to swipe. Now you're getting rewards of 1.3. I love this, Glo.
Okay, so that means I can go and swipe Marvin card, guys. And I can just tell him, you're going to get cash back, honey, so no worries. What do you think? Shopping.
Sounds good. Business shopping.
And another good thing about this card,
okay,
it saves time with, capturing your receipts. Automatically captures the receipts. It categorizes transactions, and it imports them into your accounting. Like if you have a QuickBooks, one of the accounting softwares, and we talk about this all the time, how important Money Magnets it is for you to keep up with what you're spending and making sure that you have QuickBooks and things to that nature, so that your accounting can be 100% on point, and you get this for absolutely free.
And this is great for me. I'm terrible with receipts. I don't know about you guys, but this will help me keep up with all my expenses and categorize them. And we could use our software, like QuickBooks, to keep up with it. I think this is awesome.
Wow. That helps Marvin keeps up with what I'm spending. Okay, money magnets. So what you want to do is secure a line of credit without the extra fees.
Right.
So you want to make sure that you go ahead and apply for this. This right here can most definitely be a cash flow changer for you. You can access up to $250,000 with this line of credit, or you can get a term loan. So they have two options, which is absolutely amazing.
And it doesn't impact your score. Also, this is for more seasoned businesses that have revenue. So you want to be at least 6 months in business, make over $250,000 a year before you apply. And look, you might be able to get the line of credit or the term loan, which, is great for restaurants who have high revenue, or a moving company or something like that, or maybe even construction, because a lot of times in construction, I know when I was in construction, those 30 or 60 days I had meant everything when it came to paying my men, paying for material, and also being able to get to the end of the job where I got my profit.
And the wonderful thing about this, Marvin, it's a line of credit.
Yeah.
So keep in mind, money magnets, that with lines of credit, you only pay for what you use.
Correct.
You don't have to start paying anything until you start using it. It's the difference when you're talking about a term loan and a line of credit.
Right.
A term loan, they're going to have a monthly payment every month. Once you get approved for the money and it drops into your account, your payments start immediately.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, Gloria, with this, you can focus on growth with a business line of credit or a term loan. Look, it's no hidden fees, monthly repayment cycles, and competitive rates. That's the key. You want to get money for as cheap as you can because it's not what you make, it's what you keep.
Most definitely. Okay, Marvin, Toolbox has nailed it.
Okay.
It says it right here. Our vision for your future. A staggering 70% of businesses fail by their 10th year, primarily due to cash flow problems, lack of capital, and inability to operate profitably. You know, that it's really important. You know, a lot of times businesses are struggling, and they're saying it right here. They know businesses are having a hard time.
Right.
That's why they're implementing all of these, you know, new fintech ways that you can get money.
Look, and I think we teach that in our mentorship. Don't just raise money one time. That's where a lot of business owners make mistakes. Keep raising capital over time.
Okay, let's do a quick recap.
Okay.
Anyone can apply for this card. You get the 1.3% cash back
off any debit purchases.
Off of any debit purchases. So, you know, that means swipe, swipe, swipe for me. Also, you know, there's no hidden fees.
Yeah.
And you also have a cash management tool that's right embedded into this. So, you know, it's really, really important that you look at all of the benefits that when you're looking at getting different cards. And you know what, Marvin, you know, what's really amazing to me is that they recognize that, you know, just like I was saying before, 70% of businesses fail. And we talk about this all the time due to lack of cash flow.
I agree. And, you know, you got to think about this. This is what fintech companies are going to go off your revenue, not necessarily your credit score, because they're going to connect with Plaid, which is a software where they can tell what you're doing in your account, approve you for a certain amount, and now you got a line of credit or a term loan. This is actually a great idea because now banks look at, they know exactly what you're making.
And it doesn't affect your personal credit score. And Marvin, we talk about this all the time. It's all about that cash flow.
Yeah.
So they're connecting to your bank account so that they can make sure that you have a positive cash flow.
Yes.
And we talk about it's that ending balance after all the dust settles.
Yeah. And this is fairly new. So if anybody has any experience with Toolbox, drop some comments below so we can help out the community. And if you don't need this video, share this with another business that's at least 6 months old that you know may need more working capital, because that's what it's all about, guys.
Empowering your finances, Marvin.
Yeah.
Okay, Marvin, let's jump back on the computer for 1 second. I have one more gem for you guys.
All right, let's do it, Glo.
Now, money magnets. I just wanted to drop this gem for you. They also have a corporate card. For those of you who make over $1 million a year, this will be the card for you.
Yeah, this card you can give out to your employees so you can really track all your expenses. Like if you have a trucking company or a big construction company, this would be great to keep up with expenses while your men or while your women are actually traveling doing business.
And don't forget, there's no impact to your credit score.
All right, guys, make sure you act now on this card before they change the program. Look, if you want to find out about another fintech company that has limits similar to this, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.